Let me show you a really quick tip that lets you add a whole new dimension to your animation in Keynote. In Keynote, you can use the Create Path animation to add movement to any object on your presentation. I've got this rocket here, and I'm going to add an animation and create a path as an action. That path will then do a loop-the-loop around my logo in the middle, and it will fly off into space. Now when I press play, you might notice that rocket remains vertical, which doesn't look very natural. Tap onto the name of the animation again, and you'll get a few more options. On here, you can choose Align to Path and turn that on. You can use a rotation slider if you'd like to make it slightly more accurate, and then when you press preview, your rocket will actually move along the line of the path, exactly like you kind of think it should do. I'm also going to change my animation setting to remove the ease in and ease out and turn that to none. This will give it a consistent movement throughout the animation. Finally, I'm going to add a second animation called a scale effect to make the rocket get smaller as it goes along. I'm going to set this to the same length as the rocket moving, but I'm going to delay it slightly so it takes a moment for it to actually start shrinking. I'm then going to tap on the animation and make sure it starts with build 1. That means that both animations will happen simultaneously and my rocket will go blasting off into space. Hey, thanks for watching that video. Now if you enjoyed that and you want to find some more quick tips for your iPad or to use in your classroom, do me a favour and press the subscribe button down below. That will really help me out and it will help you keep up to date with all the latest tips and tricks on my YouTube channel.